Today, we explore how AI is transforming our daily tasks and making life easier. Hey everyone, welcome back to Inside Finance. In today's video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing the way we work and live. From automating mundane tasks to creating art from scratch, AI is reshaping our reality. Let's explore some of the incredible ways AI is making our lives easier. First up, let's talk about Meta AI, the brain behind Facebook's customer support. Meta AI is designed to handle customer inquiries on platforms like WhatsApp, Messenger, and Instagram. By leveraging advanced natural language processing, NLP, Meta AI can understand and respond to customer questions in real time. This AI system not only handles simple queries, but can also manage more complex issues, seamlessly integrating with human agents when needed. Meta AI's ability to learn from interactions allows it to continuously improve its responses, providing more accurate and helpful information over time. This reduces the workload for human customer service representatives, enabling them to focus on more critical tasks, and ultimately enhances customer satisfaction by providing quicker and more reliable support. Businesses benefit from reduced operational costs and improved efficiency, making Meta AI a game-changer in customer service automation. Meta AI also integrates with various analytics tools to provide businesses with insights into customer behavior and preferences. This data-driven approach helps companies tailor their services and products to meet customer needs better, driving customer loyalty and increasing revenue. Next, let's explore ChatGPT, another powerful tool developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is designed to engage in human-like conversations, making it an invaluable resource for a variety of applications. From customer support to content creation and even tutoring, ChatGPT's versatility is unmatched. ChatGPT uses a deep learning model called GPT-4, which has been trained on a vast dataset encompassing a wide range of topics. This enables ChatGPT to understand context and generate coherent, contextually appropriate responses. For businesses, ChatGPT can be integrated into customer support systems to handle inquiries, provide information, and resolve issues, significantly reducing response times and operational costs. For individuals, ChatGPT can assist with tasks such as drafting emails, writing articles, and even brainstorming ideas. Its ability to generate human-like text makes it a valuable tool for content creators, marketers, and professionals looking to enhance their productivity. Additionally, ChatGPT can serve as a tutor, providing explanations and answering questions in a conversational manner, making learning more interactive and engaging. Furthermore, ChatGPT is continuously learning and evolving. OpenAI regularly updates the model, incorporating user feedback to enhance its performance. This ensures that ChatGPT remains at the forefront of conversational AI, providing users with the most accurate and helpful interactions possible. Imagine a world where you can create stunning pieces of art with just a few clicks. AI is helping monitor and protect endangered species. The future of AI is bright, and its impact on our world will only continue to grow. By embracing these advancements, we can unlock new opportunities and create a better, more efficient world for everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance and technology.